Want to change your name on Facebook? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Now log into your account. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Here you want to select Profiles. Now go ahead and select your Facebook profile from here. Now tap on Name. Go ahead and change your first name. If you want, you can change your last name as well or add a middle name. Once you have done your editing, you want to tap on the Review Change option. If you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Also, do not add any unusual capitalization, punctuation characters, or random words. Now tap on Review Change. Now choose how your name will appear on your profile. Then tap on Save Changes. And in this way, you can easily change name on Facebook. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.